How to transfer 457B to Gold IRA rollover without penalty. Looking to protect your retirement savings from inflation and market volatility? Rolling over your 457B into a Gold IRA can be a smart move. Precious metals like gold offer a hedge against economic uncertainty, but doing it wrong can cost you taxes and penalties. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to do it the right way, step by step. What's a 457B plan? A 457B is a retirement account offered to government and certain nonprofit employees. It allows early withdrawals under specific conditions, unlike other plans. But transferring to a Gold IRA takes careful planning to avoid penalties. What's a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that lets you invest in physical gold and other approved metals. It's ideal for diversifying your portfolio and protecting your savings from inflation and currency swings. How to roll over a 457B to a Gold IRA without penalty. 1. Check eligibility. Confirm with your plan administrator if your 457B is eligible for a rollover, especially if you're still employed. 2. Select a Gold IRA custodian. Choose an IRS-approved custodian who handles self-directed IRAs and offers secure storage for gold. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Complete the necessary paperwork with your chosen custodian to set up your new Gold IRA. 4. Use a direct rollover. Request a trustee-to-trustee transfer from your 457B to your Gold IRA to avoid taxes and penalties. 5. Choose IRS-approved metals. Invest only in gold, 99.5% purity, silver, 99.9%, platinum, or palladium from approved sources. 6. Secure storage. Store your metals in an IRS-approved depository. Personal storage is not allowed. 7. Monitor your investment. Keep track of gold prices and economic changes. Review your IRA regularly to stay diversified and protected. A 457B to Gold IRA rollover, done correctly, helps you preserve your wealth and enjoy tax advantages. Always follow IRS rules, work with a trusted custodian, and invest in approved metals to secure your retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.